Hi, this is Algebra Martinez. This is for the Common Communications Requirement for Mr. Fies Math 1073 Algebra Presented in Years course. Today I'll be talking about Newton's law of cooling equation used as problem on screen. Just before 6 p.m., students entered the classroom to find Mr. Fies dead of apparent homicide. At 6, the temperature of the body is 80 degrees, while at 7 p.m. it was 75 degrees. So, if the room is kept at a constant temperature of 70 degrees Fahrenheit, what is the time of death? So now that we know this, here's the equation, and we're going to talk about what we have so far. And like I said, right here on the screen is everything to know for the equation. So what we have so far is the final temperature is 75 degrees. The initial temperature is 80 degrees. The constant temperature will be 70. The difference, the time between initial and final, is 1. And we still need to find the constant. So to find the constant, this is also still what we have so far. What you do is you take k and you take -1 divided by the change in time times the natural log of T2 being the final temperature minus the constant divided by the initial temperature minus the constant as well. And so plugged in looks like this: -1 minus divided by 1, times the natural log of 75 minus 70 divided by 80 minus 70, and that will come out to 0.6931. So now we can find out how he died now that we have that. So since we're going to assume the time of death, the temperature of him was 98.6, that's a normal human temperature for a normal healthy person. So K will be 0.6931 found before. The new initial temperature would be 98.6 and he was alive. 80 for the final discovery of the body. And the constant will still be 70, and we don't know the change in time. Could try and find out when exactly he died. So here's the equation. This is similar to the K in that it will be -1 divided by K times the natural log of the final temperature minus the constant, and then that's divided by the initial temperature minus the constant. And so now that we have all that, we know what to do. We're going to plug it in here in a second. Okay, and so plugged in, it is -1 divided by 0.6931 times the natural log of 80 minus 70 divided by 98.6 minus 70, which will come out to 1.51. So now we can find out when exactly we died. We know exactly how we died now, or when. So he died approximately 1.5 hours before the class discovered him at 6 p.m., which means he was murdered at approximately 4:30 p.m. Thanks for watching, and that's all I got.